What is the reason that the author mentions the fair hair and skin of today's white Britons? A. To describe the Cheddar Man from Somerset. B. To explain that Britons always had fair hair and skin. C. To contrast the previous belief to the new findings. Or D. To explain why they belong to Western hunter-gatherers from Spain, Luxembourg, or Germany. Let's begin by noting where the author mentions today's white Britons. We see this in the fourth sentence, which tells us that today's white Britons can trace their roots back to descendants of these people, and it was initially believed that Cheddar Man had fair hair and skin. The very next sentence goes on to describe how after cutting-edge DNA analysis and facial recognition, it is believed he had blue eyes, dark brown to black skin, and dark curly hair. With these two sentences placed right next to each other, we can see that the author brings up modern-day white Britons to show the contrast between what scientists originally believed about Cheddar Man's looks and what he actually looked like, especially taking into account that modern Britons are descended from these first modern settlers. Taking a look at our choices, we can see that C, to contrast the previous belief to the new findings, goes perfectly with our logic and can be marked as our final answer.